Lightning strikes, delivering a powerful electric surge of tens of thousands of volts. This is enough power to destroy every electronic device and appliance in your home. Even lightning strikes miles from your home can cause power surges, destroying everything plugged into an outlet. The average home would need dozens of power strips costing hundreds of dollars, and they wouldn't provide the level of protection you need. The very best protection you can have is a whole house surge protection system. This is the only way to protect everything powered by electricity, including hardwired items like your air conditioner, furnace, and more. When properly installed, the surge protection system allows normal electrical current to flow all the time. But when excessive voltage passes through the device, it instantly diverts the damaging surge of electricity to a ground wire, providing total protection. A surge protection system is wired directly to the service panel. Installation requires the expertise of a skilled electrician. We can install one for you today. Call us today. We're your whole house surge protection specialists.